Hello, it's Thursday, August 17th, I think it is now. And I think this is the sun over here in these, over in the oil slick, it looks like. It does not look nice over here in the east. But we're gonna keep an eye on those clusters of sunspots. And they're fully visible even with the crud that the sun's swimming in. I can't tell if any more have developed, but they seem to be spreading out, and they're freaking big, man. Just take a look around. So I'll be right back. As I look around, it'll be too shaky. Okay, I couldn't see anything on the edges, on the rest of the sun, at least by the magnifying glass. So there's a morning cluster. Apparently, I think I made a mistake of looking at the internet before it came out. Spaceweather.com, I'm not sure where they got their report from, says there's an unstable magnetic field there at this cluster, and there's a chance for M or X class flares as it's nearly Earth facing, and all this good stuff. The timing of this thing and the clusters just keep forming. I don't know. Magic sunspot. This isn't making too much sense. I've noticed it in the past, but it's been really obvious with this set of sunspots and the rotation. Now, yesterday morning, about 8 a.m., the sunspots were done at 7 o'clock position. By 7 p.m., or I'm sorry, 7:12 or something like that, in the evening, 12 hours later, it had only made it up to the 10 o'clock position. So that's a 3-hour clockwise rotation in 12 hours. So the sun sets for me and it's daylight for somebody else. And the last I saw of it was at the 10 o'clock position. But then 12 hours later, it's right back down here at the 7 o'clock spot. So for my daytime, it only rotated 3 hours. Sometimes it'll rotate a 4-hour position, 5-hour position. But by morning, guess what? It's right back where it was. So during the night, it jumps my night, somebody else's daytime. It moves faster. I'm not sure if I'm being very clear here. And now I haven't any damn coffee or smoke yet, and I need it. But I'll try one more time just in case that didn't come out too well. Okay, what's not making too much sense is yesterday and quite a few other days, the sunspots will rotate for me between a 3 and 5 hour clockwise position. So, for example, yesterday, it was about 8 a.m. They were down here in 7 o'clock position. And when new ones roll around, they generally are down in that area. But 12 hours later, it had only made it up to the 10 o'clock spot. So it's only 3 hours of a clockwise face that it moved in 12-hour period. So the sun sets, it's daylight somewhere else for somebody else, and daylight rolls around for me once again. And where is that sunspot? It's back down at the 7 o'clock position. So for me, it only rotated a 3-hour position yesterday, but somehow it sped up and jumped ahead and 9-hour position for somebody else. So we're back down to 7 o'clock right now. And this happens quite often. We'll have to get more documentation throughout the day, various times of the day. It's very hard for me to get it in the evening, but I would like a 12-hour documentation of the position of the spots. But yesterday was a prime example. Moved from the 7 o'clock to the 10 o'clock in 12-hour time. And then boom. Overnight it must zip around, because by morning at 7:30 again, and where is it? It's at the 7 o'clock position. Photons, huh? Particles, light waves. There's something else we're missing. Things just aren't adding up, so just want to put that out there. And I'm going to go have my coffee. Alrighty. Bye now. And I tried to find the moon. What the hell was that? Whatever. Let's go out so we can see. So you can see that oil slick. Oh, they're getting more up there, aren't they? And there's our fake morning eastern sky up here in northeastern Ohio. Ugh, what a mess. Yeah. Anyway, the moon is supposed to be above the willow tree. And maybe this will pick it up, maybe not. Because it's pretty high up. If you can see it here in the video, let me know. Yeah, they show it being 131 degrees in the southeast, but it's 59 degrees above the horizon. That's freaking up there, man. And it's only 23% lit. No, whatever. It sets today at 5 p.m., so we'll look for it later. Doggone it. I did set the alarm to get it at 4 this morning, but I wanted to get Venus and the moon, but things didn't work out. I kind of said screw it. It'll wait. So, alrighty. Hope your day goes well. Bye for now. Okay, I eventually found the moon, so we'll look at that real quick. It's way high up. You have to mangle a tripod to get a good angle for it. So I think it said, 23% illuminated, and up about 60 degrees above the horizon. So it's not coming in good from all the chemical shit out here. It's just spreading and spreading. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, that'll do for now. Take care. Bye.